morning guys, how are you today? I'm gonna show you my breakfast. I'm just gonna turn camera. This is my breakfast. Of course I'm gonna take just 2 eggs and red chili pepper, ginger. I already crushed here with this ginger over there, red chili pepper, tomatoes, and I'm gonna smash those 2 eggs, and this is warming up now to be inside the oven. I decided to have 3 eggs instead of 2. I have this flavor. This is black pepper. Garlic, a bit too much, and herb salt. Everything I'm gonna cover like this, and salt. The oven. I want to say another thing, that I don't use oil. That's why I need this to cover and cook nice in the oven. Look at this. Look wonderful, and I hope it's tasty as well. No need oil. All this I removed from there with a spoon, and it has to be cooled down before I start to eat breakfast. And on the top, slices of cucumber. It's not so nice weather, windy, but it's not so cold, plus 18. And we're going to Emporia again because we want to use the tickets I bought yesterday with John. It's not so sunny, not sunny at all. Follow me guys.
Castles.
To the church to put some candles. It's for free, you don't need to pay anything. I'm gonna have ice cream. For not 100 kronor. We're going to Hemköp now. Supermarket och annat.
Saved a moth flying around, put it under a glass.
Yeah.
Bank card on top. And
Like this glass.
and took it outside. That's all.
I took it outside.
And let it go.
You didn't kill the
No, I put it in the plants.
Yeah, that's good.
Be kind.
You're very kind. What John meant that he saved one fly in this by this window in La Bonne Vie. And moth. It's like a butterfly. It's very big one, and he left this moth outside. He feels is a hero now. Yeah, John.
It's one of the insect orders that the family Lepidoptera. Butterflies and moths.
Yeah. Englishman more better explained than me. Now we're going to It's sunny now. Nice weather. We're going to Berlin for one. Bye bye. This is blue, green.
Plastic.
Street, sunny, and this is Berlin. We're going to Berlin.
How can I help you?
Cheers, John. We had very good time, yeah, John? Drinking just one beer each. Dark beer. John, are we going to Berlin now? Wait, Berlin. I mean, La Bonne Vie. For one drink. For one drink. For one drink.
Like it today.
Look at that. La Bonne Vie, we know. And rainy.
Monsoon.
Choose on this very rainy day.